It's easy to retime captions in Premiere. When creating captions, we can adjust these sliders to automatically set their timing. We can quickly try out different settings. And we have complete control in the timeline to edit or retime them manually. We can export an SRT and drop it into Captioneer. Select a preset, hit create, and that creates animated mogerts with the exact same timing as the original captions. And we no longer need the caption track.
This is the world's largest Nerf gun. This is a normal Nerf gun. And for the past year, I've been making good use of my time by working on this, the world's smallest Nerf gun.
This looks awesome, but I want to touch up a few sections. Every mogert included with Captioneer can be stretched on the timeline, and the entire animation stretches with it. Just click and drag to retime it. I'll slide this back so the timing is synced up with his voice.
This is the world's largest Nerf gun.
We can add a cut at any time to split this mogert into two pieces. For example, add a cut at the back end, and then we can stretch just that segment.
This is the world's largest Nerf gun.
You don't need to add frame holds or mess with freeze frames, just cut and stretch. I'll do the same thing for the next segment.
Nerf gun.
We can hit N on the keyboard to activate the rolling edit tool, and we can slide two edges at once.
A normal Nerf gun. And for the past year,
this gives you complete control over the timing for your animated captions.
This is the world's largest Nerf gun. This is a normal Nerf gun. And for the past year, I've been making good use of my time by working on this, the world's smallest Nerf gun.
In the next video, let's customize a mogert and learn how to copy-paste the mogert settings.